question that was asked. I have a form that I've used last year and I wish to continue using this year. I want last year's responses to be on a separate page that looks like this. How do I get the form to populate so I've got last year's here, this year's here? So let's see what we can do. First, I'm going to delete the fake one that I just made. That's not part of the process. So I have my form responses here coming in. I'm going to go from the spreadsheet and make sure I have the editing version of the Google form. Responses tab clicked on. I still have that spreadsheet as a separate tab. You can see my mouse hovering there. I'm going to go to the three dots to select a response destination. I'm going to select an existing spreadsheet. What this is going to do is prompt me to create or to connect this form to a spreadsheet. I'm going to select the same one. So the delete me one that I already have, select. Now, spreadsheet's linked as it just said. I'm going to go from that form to the spreadsheet. You'll notice it doesn't say form responses 2 with the purple icon. It now says form responses 3. So I'm going to do two things. One, I'm going to rename this to be last year's date. So I'm going to put in last school year for me was 2016, 2017. I'm now going to go and label this the current ones. So rename I never type when someone's watching, right? And then we'll pretend these are all 2016 entries. I have the exact same data here. As you can see, the screen doesn't change except for color because I've selected in the old sheet, and I'm going to the new worksheet here. I'm going to go to all the old responses. I'm selecting here, pushing shift to select between row 2 and row 4. All of those are selected. I am now going to keep row 1, my headers, the questions, and I'm going to edit to delete all the old rows. Now to test this out, I have old data here, waiting for new data here. I'm going to test it out by previewing, filling in the information. Submit that information. Current school year, current test that I just filled in. So what we did, I set it up to where I selected a response destination. I chose the exact same spreadsheet. It put a new worksheet in this to make more of a workbook file format. The old one I renamed. The new one I renamed. The new one, before any entries came in, I selected and deleted all of those entries that were previously there because I have a copy of them here. That's how you can have the same Google form and keep building year to year to year with that tab.